The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is coming to my channel. I bought it to start with multicolor printing. And I want to witness the insane print speed. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. Slicer tutorials for Bambu Studio will also be featured on my channel. But that's not all. The automated material system Lite is also here. The AMS will make multicolor prints possible. Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.